post-game press conference, we have here Delta Mata, Coach Ravi Laporte, Sammy Wilson of the PLDT High School this morning in 4 sets against the Susoy Cavaliers. Coach, congratulations on this win. No first set, medyo na dikit talaga yung laban ng Labuhan ng Jesus. Paano lang din ba naka-recover yung team in order to get the other 2 sets?
Yun nga, siguro yung reminders lang talaga na huwag masyadong malayo yung tingin muna. Like yun nga, yung respect sa kalaban, yung complacency, kailangan talaga tanggalin. Saka, kailangan talaga i-push yun kasi sagad na talaga yung mga tao. So happy kami na lalo with them na napakawalan na nakagamit tayo sa kanya. So may extra push ng energy para sa akin.
Coach, and sadly, that's their favorite 26 points. PLDT is the second team to sweep multiple preliminary rounds in the PBL. Now you guys are up to the final. So can you just talk about that? Another dominant run for PLDT here.
I think it speaks more than words going into a tournament, having to play back-to-back every other day, especially for the other teams that are performing as well. But you know, we take it seriously. We go into every game with the right mindset, and you know, obviously we came a little short the first set, but we were able to take the last 3. So, kind of going into the finals, we want to take whatever lessons learned, you know, take out whatever opportunities they give us, the opponents, and kind of maximize whatever potential we have there. Thank you.
Thank you. Then after yung alas Pilipinas, Pilipon na lang after yung PLDT, ang ganda rin ang pinakita mo this game with blockings, and in this game you scored 11 points for PLDT. So, masasabi mo ba na after your stint with alas Pilipinas, talagang tumaas din yung confidence mo pwede pa to PLDT?
Siguro po para sa akin, parang hindi po tumaas. Parang, syempre, sa middle blocker po, kailangan ko lang magtrabaho. Then, ginagawa ko lang po yung trabaho ko para sa alas, and then dito po sa mother team po ngayon.
Thank you.
Of course, this will be your second final back-to-back. How are you feeling right now? And what will be the mindset since it's another knockout game on Saturday?
Like I said before, I love the pressure. So I'm looking forward to just the day in general, having, you know, practice in the morning and kind of going to the game and, you know, ending on a bang, trying to show everybody that we can do it again. So, you know, we're going to rest, recoup, and then, you know, study and kind of go into that final day with everything that we have. So very excited to do it with this team, especially.
For them this time, makakasama ka naman nila sa final. Kumbaga, ano na yung magiging mindset mo since maglalaro ka na this time?
Siguro po yung magiging mindset, hindi lang sa akin, para sa amin po is may panalo yung game, isa-isa lang po muna set kasi yun, sunod-sunod yung ano namin yung game din. Nagpapapawis na po kami, kailangan namin mag-focus muna sa every set of the game.
For Coach, syempre naging malaking challenge sa inyo yung pagkapanalo ng unang championship. Pero gaano kadali siguro o kahirap pa din yung challenge na manalo naman ng championship twice and itong paghabol din ng being 2-time champions sa team?
Siguro added motivation na lang na gagawin sa championship. Pero this time, yun nga, yung pag-manage talaga ng katawan, saka makalago kami ng Sunday na mabuwasan ng konti yung pagod at the same time, aaralin pa rin talaga yung palaban. So yun lang talaga yung wala naman na dahil ka-champion na. Talagang iti-take pa rin namin na sa new challenge naman this Saturday.
And for Sam, how would you rate your physical readiness, I guess, for the final after the long preseason and now? Where is your body at?
I don't want to put a number to it, but mentally I'm there. You know, if I speak it out into the world, then it becomes true. So mind over matter. But, you know, obviously come the day of, I'm going to be physically prepared and mentally prepared. So, especially with the help and support of our team, you know, every individual is kind of in charge and responsible for their own. So, the best I can do is just be ready myself.
For them, having that as Pilipinas na it's still, for you ba may bago ka sa laro mo or ano yung assessment mo sa laro mo with PLDT after the national team?
Siguro po, malaking tulong din sa akin yung Alas sa experience din po. Na-apply ko din sa mother team ko. Then, yun, nakabalik mo na sa training muna. Pag-aralan ko namin this coming championship game.
Gano'n na lang yung bago yung pagkakas pero extra day, given na magkakaroon lang ng mas cooking and Jerry para sa last na final finals.
Yun nga so for the last 2 games, hindi na talaga kami nasa ensayo. I mean, yung mga in-between days, mas pinipili talaga namin mag-off, tapos nagpapawis na kami sa morning. At least ngayon, coming to Sunday, magagawa namin siya pareho. So rest bukas, training Saturday. And by Sunday sana, yun nga, na nakatrabaho kami at the same time, hindi kami sana ganun kapag.
Maglalaban ko kayo yung actually bukas. I prefer maglalaro ng PLD finals.
No comment.
Any naman yun, any naman na maging kalaban, malaking challenge.
Then yun nga, coming from Isaas na state, nagkaroon ka ng best middle blocker award. May added expectations na ba for yourself? Kumbaga kasi kahit sa gandang performances, pagbalik sa PLB, parang gusto mo lang mag-continue.
Para sa akin siguro, hindi ko naman po nakuha yung best middle blocker ko. Kung hindi dahil sa mga coaches, sa mga teammates ko na tumulong din sa akin. Siguro po sa akin na walang bigger expectation. Dapat kung anong meron ako, yun lang yung kung anong may tutulong ka sa team Alas and sa team building team.
Thank you, Coach.